Hey guys, so welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to create a simple food menu for food brand. Okay, so this brand they're into sales of food, so I'm going to show you how to create a very simple menu showing the list of food they have in their restaurant. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're new here, and to all my returning subscribers I want to say thank you. Don't forget to like this video so that other people can get to see this video. Okay, so let me show you the way around. So I'm not going to use the normal Instagram size, which is 1080 by 1018. I'm going to use 1080 by 1200. So I come to create designs and I'm going to say customize size. So the width is going to be the normal 1018 and then the height is going to be 1200. So the next thing I do is to create design. So you can see that the length is higher. You can see the length is different from the normal Instagram size that you have. So the first thing I'm going to do, I already have my images uploaded here. So I just go to my upload and I scroll till I get the food image I want to use. Okay, so you can see some of the food images I have here. So there's a particular one I'm going to use. I'm going to use a particular style. So okay, so let's say I use this one. Then I'm just going to increase the size a bit and then take it to the middle. Okay, so the color of this background is going to be something like this. So I'll just edit the color a little bit, make it a little bit transparent. Okay, so I think this is okay. So the next thing I want to do is I'm going to bring my text. So this is the name of the brand, Food Spa. I'm just going to make it change the color to something really nice. Then I'll come up with a kind of a logo for them. So I just bring this circle, change the color. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to just quickly change the font to TT Forward, and I'm going to list all the food that they sell. Okay, so list all the food and then I'll add bullet to it. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to align left and then reduce the font size a little bit. So zoom in so you can see what we're working on. Okay, so let's say these are the list of food that they sell. So finish typing the food they sell. So I'm going to also put a kind of like our services. So this is what I'm going to put here. I'm going to get a shape. I'll reduce the size. So I'll bring it here. So I'm going to change the color a little to something different. Okay, so this particular text color should be something light, so it will be visible enough. So I'll change this to something like a very kind of a fancy font and say services. Okay, so if you notice the font is not so well with you, you can actually change it to a different font that is readable. Okay, because that's what really matters. You want a situation where your idea is easily shared with your audience without them struggling to read or understand what you have on your menu, right? So this, now I'm going to reduce this here, and then I'm just going to duplicate, then change the color, and then go to position, take it backward so that I can change the color of this to something like this. Take it backward, okay. Then I'm going to adjust it. Okay. Okay, so for what we have here now, the next thing I want to do is I would love to put something like order now. So I'll say this order now should be underneath this food they sell. So I might want to change the color if I want to, but I think that would be perfect. So I'll just duplicate again and then put a phone number that they can call for to get their orders. All right, so I just put a simple okay. So then see what I'm going to do. I'm going to come to shapes. So there's a particular shape I would love to use. Just go to see, oh, those are some of the icons I've used recently. So okay, so I'm going to use this particular modern gill rounded rectangle. So this is the name of the shape you're going to use. So I just click on it and you see the color here. So I would love to change this color to something different. So I use black so that the phone number can be in color like this. Then I'm going to reduce this size. Okay, so you know the size is already short, so I just need to duplicate it so that it can form a very long size for me. Then I'm going to select this, send the position backward so that the text will be visible. So can you see now? So order now will be here, and then if I'm done with this, I just change this font. I don't want to use this particular font again, or I use this T4 and then make it bold. Okay, I think this is great. So the next thing I want to do is to put their social media handle underneath as well. So in case someone wants to reach out to them on Facebook, Instagram, and the rest of them, you can easily reach out to them. So I'll just, Facebook icon is here. I'll reduce the size. Instagram is also here. I'm going to reduce the size also, and then I'll zoom in to see what I'm working on. Reduce the size again. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is, I think I still need to reduce the size. Yeah, so this is perfect. So what I will do is to put their social handle there. So I'm going to duplicate this, remove the bold, and then put their handle. So their handle should be something like at food spa ng. So I'm reducing the size now. I'm going to reduce the size and then make sure it fits in. So I'll select both of them and then move it a little bit here. Okay. So the next thing I would love to add is some kind of ribbons and shapes to make it really lovely. So you see this ribbon here, you can search for it. You can search for it. I think the name is showing Untitled by Makino Senna. So you just search for it. It's called, if you type for ribbon, it's going to come up. So I just click on it and it will come up here. So this is what I'm going to do with it. I will rotate it a little bit and then I'm going to add effects. So I'll just blur it. I come to edit image, I see all, and then I'll blur it a little bit. Can you see now? So just blur it and then reduce the size also, so I could get a kind of a perfect shape. Okay, so that's being done. I can just duplicate again and then move it this way. So if I want to, I could just reduce the blur a little bit. Reduce the blur a little bit than the former one. Okay, so I think we are good to go. Then if you still want to touch the background, I just reduce the background color a little bit. Oh, sorry for that. So you can see the various colors I've gotten so far. So it actually depends on you, on what you want, how you want the color to look like. So you can see. So if after all of these changes I've made so far, I still want to maybe go back to what I have done. You see this undo button. You just click on it to undo, or you just simply press Ctrl Z on your keyboard to undo whatever it is you have done. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. You might want to watch my other video on how to get started on Canva if you're new on this channel and you want to learn how to use Canva. Then you should watch the video on the screen right now. See you.